Hello students, welcome to EVS class. Today we will read chapter 7, The World of Animals of book 3. Before reading the chapter, let us first solve this question. In the illustration shown below, write D for domestic animals and W for wild animals. Below some pictures of animals are given. We will write down D for domestic animal and W for the wild animals. Goat is a domestic animal. Write down here D. Sheep is also a domestic animal. So write here D. Lion is wild animal. Write down here W. Horse is a domestic animal. Write down here D. Wolf is a wild animal. Write down W. Zebra is wild animal. So write here W. And cow is a domestic animal. So write down D here. Okay, now let us start the first topic. Big and small animals. Animals of different sizes live on the earth. There are very big animals like giraffe and elephant. There are big animals like lion and bear. Some of the animals are small like cat and monkey. And some animals are very small, for example, ant and rat. Our next topic is how animals move. Animals move from one place to another to find food and shelter and to escape from their enemies. How do they move? Do they have legs? How many? Some animals like fish and snake do not have legs. Fish move with the help of fins and tails. Snakes wriggle on the ground. Birds have two legs that help them to swim in the water, perch on trees, or walk and run on the ground. Most land animals like the cat, zebra, and lion have 4 legs. Insects like the ant, mosquito, and bee have 6 legs. Some animals like the spider, octopus, and scorpion have 8 legs. Some animals like the caterpillar, centipede, and millipede have many legs that help them to crawl. Next topic is what animals eat. Animals get their food from plants and other animals. Some animals eat only plants and plant parts. They are called herbivorous animals. For example, caterpillar eat leaves. Cow, deer, and sheep eat grass. Elephant eat leaves, grass, and tree branches. And parakeets eat fruits. Some animals hunt other animals for food. These animals are called carnivores. For example, cheetah, lion, and eagle hunt other animals and eat their flesh. Animals that hunt other animals are known as predators. The animals that they hunt are called their prey. Look at this picture. As you can see, a cheetah is hunting a deer to eat its flesh. So, cheetah is predator and deer is prey. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. For example, crow and bear. Animals that eat dead and decaying animals are called scavengers. For example, hyena, vulture, and fox. Next topic is animal tails. Most animals have tails. Animals use their tail in many ways, like for expressing their mood, for maintaining balance, for movement, and for defense. Dogs wag their tails when they are either happy or angry. A straight up tail in a cat tells you that it is angry. A kangaroo uses their tail to maintain balance. Squirrel also use their tail for maintaining balance. Macaw bird's long tail balances the weight of its beak, otherwise it would fall when perching. Monkey use their tail to swing from one tree to another. Fish use their tail to steer their bodies in different directions. Cows move their tails to drive flies and mosquitoes away. A lizard detaches its tail from its body if a predator grabs it by the tail. The replacement tail usually grows back later. Next topic is taking care of domestic animals. Domestic animals depend on us for food and other basic needs. It is important to take good care of them to keep them healthy and disease-free. Let us see how. Their shelters need to be cleaned regularly. They need to be fed with clean and nutritious food every day. They need to be provided with clean and fresh water. Cattle need to be bathed regularly. Next topic is taking care of pet animals. In this paragraph, we will read about 3 small children who have pet animals. Let us read how they take care of their pets. Vijay has a dog at home. He calls it Noddy. He takes Noddy out for a walk every day, keeps it clean and feeds it on time. Noddy loves to eat bones. It guards the house at night. Look at this picture. This is Vijay and this is his pet dog Noddy. Vijay takes very good care of Noddy. He keeps Noddy clean, feeds it on time and takes him out for a walk every day. Rani has a parrot at home. She calls it Mittu. Mittu mimics Rani's voice. Rani regularly cleans its cage and provides it water and food. Mittu loves to eat green chilies, seeds and fruits. See this picture. This is Rani and this is her parrot Mittu. Rani takes care of Mittu by feeding it food and water on time, and she also cleans Mittu's cage regularly. Gautam has a fish bowl at home. He has many fish in it. Gautam loves them. He regularly cleans the bowl and fills it with fresh water. He also drops the fish food into the bowl at regular intervals. Look at this picture. This is Gautam. Gautam also takes care of the fish by cleaning the bowl where they are kept. And he also feeds them time to time. So students, we should also take care of our pet in this way. Next topic is save animals. Since ages, animals have been hunted for fun and for their body parts. Even now, elephants are hunted for their tusks, rhinoceros for their horns, tiger for their skin, and mink for their fur. The continuous killing of animals has reduced their numbers and made them rare. Meaning of rare is not common and therefore sometimes valuable. There is a danger that Some of them may completely disappear from the earth. Such animals are called endangered animals. Meaning of endangered is danger of being lost or vanished. They need to be protected, otherwise they will die out completely and become extinct. Meaning of extinct is no longer exist or are vanished. A change in their environment and natural habitat can also make the animals endangered or extinct. Some animals are being killed continuously, due to which they have become rare and in danger of being vanished from the earth. Several animals are also endangered and extinct due to the changes in environment and natural habitat. So, these animals should be protected, otherwise they will completely disappear. Dinosaurs became extinct due to the climatic changes that occur on the earth millions of years ago. Tiger is endangered animal. It may extinct if not protected in time. To save the tigers, our government started Project Tiger. Project Tiger is a conservation program launched by the Indian government to save the tigers. Killing of wild animals is banned by our government. Our government has also developed many special wildlife parks and sanctuaries that provide natural and safe environment to the animals. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are natural habitat that safeguard particular species of birds and animals. These wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are established by the Indian government to conserve the wildlife and also develop them. Here is the list of some national parks in India. Jim Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand, which protects the tiger. Kaziranga National Park is in Assam and it protects the rhinoceros. Gir Forest National Park is in Gujarat and it protects the lions. Keoladev National Park is in Rajasthan and migratory birds are being protected here. So our chapter is complete. Thank you and have a nice day.